20 years and we're not done yet. Panorama. Watch on BBC iPlayer.
Four new celebs at 6, a new week with Richard Osman on BBC Two, after some of Floggett's finest moments.
Well, sorry about the default. We have some news regarding Science Fan. Programming has been suspended. Please await more information. We have more news regarding Science Fan, the Welsh man who has made an invention to turn people into sheep. Everyone in Wales now has access to this device, and the border wall the government set up between England and Wales has been broken up. The aid Ireland has sent us has been intercepted by the Welsh, and now everyone in the British Isles are at risk of infection by the device. Unfortunately, all of our military have been turned into sheep, leaving us defenseless against the Welsh. NATO said they cannot risk losing anything, so they're out of the question. We just got reports telling us the Welsh have taken over Cornwall, all of the northwest, Birmingham and the border between England and Scotland. They have plans to cut England and Scotland off so they can weaken us even more. It is estimated over 17 million people have been turned into sheep, and it is also estimated they will reach London in 2 hours. We don't have much advice, but you should stay in your homes no matter what. Close all doors and windows. Escaping is now impossible and impractical. You're taking the piss, right? Oh, piss off. You got to be fucking joking. We got reports that they're right outside London and have already taken over Scotland, Northern Ireland and the rest of England. This is the final goodbye from there. Oh my fucking god, get out now, back off you fucking sheep shag.